was like a perfect surprise. Like, see right here?
They'll be so happy when you see it.
781. Oh, 147 L.
On
So
the
it is
side.
Look on the back.
An iPad Air.
And I want to get yours.
64A? No, you
Whoa,
could,
ha, 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 ha.
64 gig.
64 gig?
So it's like 4 times as much as your old one. Memory. Are you excited? You look very excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
You thought you were just going to get a case, didn't you?
No, I knew you guys. So I was like, I was looking around.
Mommy wanted to open it and set it up, but I knew you'd probably want to do an unboxing. There's nothing like opening an Apple box by yourself.
Lee?
It's so awesome.
Is it what you wanted? You don't seem very excited.
I'm really excited. I just want to get opened. So